Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, Tsmc, is now in production and poised to revolutionize the landscape of automation and artificial intelligence. This next-generation superchip is expected to deliver an astonishing 40-fold increase in processing power compared to its predecessors, setting the stage for unprecedented advancements in Tesla's AI capabilities, particularly in the domains of full self-driving technology and robotics.
The significance of this development cannot be overstated. Tesla, long known for its ambitious projects in automation and AI-driven solutions, has been constrained by the limitations of existing computational power. However, with the advent of the new Dojo chip, these constraints are set to be shattered. Elon Musk, Tesla's visionary CEO, emphasized the transformative potential of this breakthrough during a recent presentation, stating, "With this new development, we can finally utilize the full spectrum of data we collect to enhance our AI capabilities."
The Dojo supercomputer, which became operational last summer, was already a marvel of technology, ranking among the world's fastest and most powerful computing systems. However, the forthcoming chip's 40-fold increase in power is set to redefine industry standards. Tsmc, the manufacturer behind this cutting-edge chip, has revealed that its production involves advanced semiconductor technology that pushes the boundaries of Moore's law, indicating rapid advancements in chip performance and efficiency.
But raw power is just one aspect of the Dojo superchip's potential. Equally important is its ability to refine the efficiency and effectiveness of AI training processes. With the enhanced processing capabilities of the new chip, Tesla can analyze exponentially larger volumes of data in shorter timeframes, enabling the development of more sophisticated and nuanced AI models. This is particularly crucial for Tesla's full self-driving technology, which relies heavily on machine learning algorithms that improve through extensive data training. The ability to process the vast amounts of data collected daily by Tesla vehicles suggests that autonomous driving technology could advance at an unprecedented pace.
The Dojo superchip's architecture is also optimized to handle specific AI tasks more effectively, such as neural network training and inference. This specialization renders the chip extraordinarily powerful and energy efficient, a critical factor in sustainable technological growth. The ability to perform more computations per watt of power consumed is a key metric in AI development, particularly in an era where energy conservation and management are paramount concerns.
Moreover, the 40-fold increase in processing power offered by the Dojo superchips is set to dramatically scale AI capabilities, potentially enabling real-time AI computations that were previously infeasible. This scaling pertains not only to handling larger volumes of data, but also to enhancing the complexity and scope of AI applications. For instance, Tesla could implement more advanced predictive analytics in vehicle safety systems, or more sophisticated decision-making algorithms in its autopilot and full self-driving suites.
The implications of Tesla's Dojo superchip extend far beyond the automotive industry. In sectors such as manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare, the applications of such advanced AI processing power could revolutionize data utilization and decision-making processes. In manufacturing, AI can predict equipment failures before they occur, significantly reducing downtime and maintenance costs. In healthcare, faster AI processing speeds could accelerate genetic sequencing and enable personalized medicine on an unprecedented scale.
Furthermore, Tesla's advancements in supercomputing with the Dojo chips may foster more open and collaborative innovation within the tech industry. By pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI and computing power, Tesla could set new benchmarks that inspire other companies to innovate and improve their technologies, potentially leading to wider-ranging advancements in AI applications worldwide.
The Dojo superchip is also set to play a pivotal role in expanding Tesla's capabilities in robotics. The Tesla bot, a prime example of the company's broadening horizon, stands to benefit significantly from the increased processing power of the new chip. With enhanced computational capabilities, these robots could perform complex tasks that are currently unattainable. bringing us closer to a future where intelligent, autonomous systems play a central role in our daily lives.
Tesla's commitment to AI is further underscored by the construction of a massive new 100-megawatt data center at the Gigafactory in Texas, dedicated to training Tesla's self-driving AI using the Dojo supercomputer and NVIDIA hardware. This facility highlights the immense resources Tesla is investing in AI development, with Musk revealing that the company expects to have spent upwards of $10 billion on these initiatives by the end of the year.
The integration of the Dojo Superchip with Tesla's autonomous systems extends beyond vehicles, potentially encompassing autonomous drones and other robotic solutions. The increased computational power could enable these systems to process real-time data more effectively, facilitating faster and more accurate decision-making for autonomous navigation and operation.
In the realm of manufacturing and logistics, the Dojo chip's potential to streamline operations is immense. Robots equipped with this advanced AI could automate complex manufacturing processes, reducing human error and enhancing production efficiency. In logistics, these intelligent machines could manage inventory, sort packages, and optimize routes with minimal human intervention, revolutionizing supply chain dynamics.
The Tesla bot, powered by the Dojo Superchip, could mark a significant step forward in the development of humanoid robots capable of performing repetitive or dangerous tasks. With the ability to process vast amounts of sensory data swiftly, the Tesla bot could operate more autonomously, making real-time decisions based on a nuanced understanding of its environment.
Enhanced AI capabilities also translate to significant advancements in safety features across Tesla's product range. By processing more data at higher speeds, Tesla's vehicles and robots can anticipate and respond to potential hazards with greater accuracy and speed, improving the safety of the technology for users and the broader public who interact with or are near autonomous systems.
Moreover, the Dojo Superchip's capacity for accelerated learning and adaptation allows Tesla's AI systems to evolve rapidly through interactions and experiences in real-world scenarios. Machine learning models thrive on data, and with the ability to process and learn from larger volumes of information, Tesla's AI can continually update its algorithms to improve functionality and efficiency. This ongoing learning and adaptation may eventually lead to fully autonomous vehicles and robots that require minimal human oversight.
Tesla's advancements in AI and supercomputing are expected to have a ripple effect across multiple industries. Beyond the automotive sector, the potential applications in broader robotics and labor markets are significant. The global labor industry, worth trillions of dollars, could see substantial disruptions if Tesla successfully integrates its AI technologies into mainstream robotics applications.
As Tesla pushes the boundaries of chip design and manufacturing in collaboration with TSMC, the entire semiconductor industry may benefit from advancements in chip performance, efficiency, and capabilities. Chip makers, striving to meet Tesla's advanced specifications, could drive breakthroughs in semiconductor materials and technology.
However, as AI technology advances to unprecedented levels, the role of ethics and regulations becomes increasingly critical. Tesla's push into powerful AI capabilities with the Dojo Superchip will likely prompt lawmakers and regulatory bodies to scrutinize and potentially reformulate policies surrounding AI development and deployment. Issues such as data privacy, algorithmic transparency, and the ethical use of AI will come to the forefront, necessitating a balanced approach to harnessing the benefits of AI while mitigating its risks.
Looking to the future, Tesla's Dojo Superchip is setting the stage for a more autonomous world. As this technology matures, we can expect to see an increase in the deployment of autonomous systems across various sectors, leading to smarter environments that respond more dynamically to human needs and environmental conditions. The implications extend into the realm of smart city development, where increased AI capabilities can be leveraged to manage traffic flows, public transportation, energy distribution, and emergency services more efficiently,
Tesla's influence in advancing AI and supercomputing technologies could also spur the adoption of smart technologies that make cities more livable and sustainable. Integrating autonomous vehicles and smart infrastructure powered by technologies like the Dojo Superchip could significantly reduce urban congestion and pollution, transforming the way cities are designed and function.
As Tesla continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with its AI and supercomputing capabilities, its global impact is likely to expand. Developing and emerging markets stand to benefit from the proliferation of advanced AI technologies, which can help address unique challenges such as traffic management, access to clean energy, and efficient agricultural practices. Tesla's ability to scale its technologies globally could provide transformative solutions that spur economic and social development worldwide.
Moreover, as AI becomes more powerful and pervasive, ensuring its safety and security becomes paramount. Future developments will likely focus on creating robust safety protocols to prevent AI misuse and ensure that AI systems perform reliably and ethically. As a leader in AI development, Tesla may also pioneer the development and standardization of AI safety measures that could become benchmarks for the entire industry.
The future also holds promise for new forms of mobility and connectivity enabled by Tesla's AI advancements. We may soon witness a new era of personal mobility devices that can navigate complex environments independently, as well as heightened connectivity between devices, vehicles, and infrastructure. The data generated by these connections will feed into AI systems like Tesla's Dojo, continuously improving their algorithms and expanding their capabilities.
In the realm of energy management, the Dojo Superchip's capabilities extend beyond electric vehicles. Advanced AI can optimize battery management, extending battery life, and optimizing energy use based on driving patterns and conditions. This can lead to more efficient vehicles and potentially lower the environmental impact of EVs by reducing the frequency and intensity of battery charges and replacements. Furthermore, such technology could enhance grid management and the integration of renewable energy sources, contributing to broader efforts to combat climate change.
While Tesla's primary focus with the Dojo chip is on vehicles and robotics, the technology could also impact the broader consumer electronics industry. The Dojo chip's high efficiency and powerful processing capabilities could inspire similar innovations in personal devices, leading to smartphones, tablets, and computers with enhanced AI capabilities, longer battery life, and more intuitive user interfaces. Such advancements could redefine user expectations and set new standards for what devices can achieve.
Tesla's groundbreaking Dojo AI chip represents a monumental leap forward in the field of artificial intelligence and automation. With its unprecedented processing power, optimized architecture, and potential for accelerated learning, the Dojo Superchip is poised to revolutionize not only Tesla's own products and services, but also the broader landscape of AI applications across industries.
As Tesla continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, the world watches eagerly, anticipating a future where AI and robotics seamlessly integrate into the fabric of society, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with technology. The ripple effects of this innovation are set to reshape multiple sectors, propelling them towards a more interconnected, efficient, and intelligent future.
So let us know, what do you think about the promise of Tesla's new AI chips? With each groundbreaking development, Tesla solidifies its position as a catalyst for technological advancement, driving global industry standards to new heights and paving the way for a world where the full potential of artificial intelligence is being further and further realized. Do us a favor and please hit subscribe and maybe even tell a friend. Now let's keep the discussion going, taking a look at